What's going on, everyone? It's Elahi, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online income. And no, I'm not talking about those get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about legitimate, sustainable ways to make money online that anyone can start, regardless of experience or a huge upfront investment. I'm about to reveal 5 secret methods that many people overlook, and the best part is, you can get started today. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because I'm saving the best for last. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with our first secret method, selling your knowledge and expertise online. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I don't have any specialized skills or degrees, but let me tell you, you'd be surprised at what people are willing to pay for. Think about it. Everyone has unique knowledge or skills they've acquired over the years. Whether it's graphic design, writing, social media marketing, coding, or even something as niche as teaching people how to play the ukulele, there's a market for it online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. You can create a profile today, list your services, and start getting hired for projects that match your expertise. The key is to identify your niche, create a strong profile that showcases your expertise, and deliver high-quality work. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive reviews. Remember, the more value you provide, the more you can charge. And the best part is, you're in complete control of your time and income. Think about it, no more commuting, no more office politics, just you, your skills, and the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. It's the ultimate side hustle or even a full-time career switch for those looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind. So what are you waiting for? Take some time to think about your skills and passions. Let's move on to secret number 2, and this one is a game-changer: affiliate marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham, I've heard it all before. Affiliate marketing is a scam. But trust me on this one, affiliate marketing, when done right, can be an incredibly lucrative way to generate passive income online. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services, and earning a commission for every sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. The best part is, you don't need to create your own products, deal with customer service, or handle any of the logistics. You're essentially acting as a middleman, connecting potential customers with products or services they're looking for, and getting rewarded for it. The key to success with affiliate marketing is finding the right niche and building an audience that trusts your recommendations. This could be through a blog, a YouTube channel, social media, email marketing, or even just by sharing your affiliate links with your friends and family. The important thing is to be authentic and only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that provide value to your audience. Don't just spam your links everywhere, that's a surefire way to turn people off. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Naturally weave in your affiliate links within your content, making it clear that you're recommending products or services that you personally use and trust. And remember, transparency is key. Chapter 3, secret number 3, turn your YouTube channel into a cash cow. Did you know that you can turn your passion for creating videos into a full-fledged income stream? That's right, YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a legitimate business opportunity. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be substantial. The key is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's educational videos, entertaining vlogs, product reviews, gaming tutorials, or anything in between, find your niche and focus on creating content that you're passionate about. Once you've built up a decent following and have a consistent upload schedule, you can start monetizing your channel through YouTube's partner program. This allows you to run ads on your videos and earn a share of the revenue. But that's not the only way to make money on YouTube. You can also explore sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own merchandise, and even crowdfunding through platforms like Patreon. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and make them feel like they're a part of your journey. So what are you waiting for? Grab your camera, start filming, and see where your YouTube journey takes you. Chapter 4, secret number 4, build your own online empire with e-commerce. Let's dive into secret number 4, and this one is for all the entrepreneurs out there, building your own online store. Now you might be thinking, Graham, isn't e-commerce oversaturated? Isn't Amazon taking over the world? And while it's true that Amazon is a dominant force in e-commerce, there's still plenty of room for smaller businesses to thrive online. The key is to find a niche, differentiate yourself from the competition, and provide exceptional customer service. Now there are two main approaches to e-commerce dropshipping and holding your own inventory. Dropshipping is a low-risk, low-investment option where you partner with a supplier who handles all the storage and shipping of your products. You simply create an online store, list the supplier's products, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This allows you to focus on marketing and customer service without having to worry about the logistics of inventory management. Holding your own inventory, on the other hand, gives you more control over your products and branding, but it also requires a larger upfront investment and more operational overhead. Ultimately, the best approach for you depends on your budget, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. Once you've decided on your e-commerce model, you'll need to choose a platform to build your online store. Shopify is a popular option for beginners as it's user-friendly and offers a wide range of features and integrations. Chapter 5. Secret number 5. Turn your words into profit with blogging. Alright, let's wrap things up with our fifth and final secret method: earning money from blogging. Now, I know what you're thinking, Graham. Is blogging even relevant anymore? And the answer is a resounding yes. Blogging has evolved over the years, but it's still a viable way to share your thoughts, connect with like-minded individuals, and yes, even make money online. The key to successful blogging is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a sizable audience. This could be anything from personal finance to travel to food to technology to fashion, and everything in between. Once you've identified your niche, you need to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your readers. This could be in the form of blog posts, articles, tutorials, reviews, or even just personal anecdotes. The important thing is to write consistently, promote your blog on social media, and engage with your readers in the comments section. Now, there are several ways to monetize your blog. One popular method is through display advertising, where you partner with ad networks like Google AdSense to display ads on your blog. You earn money every time a reader clicks on one of your ads. Another popular method is through affiliate marketing, which we discussed earlier. You can also earn money from your blog by selling your own products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services. The key is to diversify your income streams and not rely on just one method. Start your online income journey today. So there you have it, 5 secret ways to make money online that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Remember, these methods aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be life-changing. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.